Adaptable 18.1, the latest version of our AG-Grid extension, includes a useful enhancement to filtering that we know some of our users who have asked for it will find useful. Essentially, when you use column filtering in Adaptable, there's two main kind of options you can use. You can see them here. One is what we call predicates, and Adaptable ships with lots of different predicates. So these are the strings, these are the numbers, and these are the dates. And the other thing we offer is the ability to see kind of a list view. So here you can choose, kind of whichever items you want, or again, you can do that almost for any time. So here I can see all the dates. But what happens if I want to sort of mix and merge them? So for instance, what happens if I want to see the dates, but I also want to see today and tomorrow? Is that possible? Well, that is now possible in Adaptable 18.1 because we allow you to select some of the predicates from this list and to add them to the distinct values list. And we explain it here in our documentation in adding predicates. It's always easier to see a demo. So let me go full screen. Let me show the code. And essentially, we do it here in column filter options. We've got a new object called value filter predicate options. And here you list the predicates that you want to see, and you also list the position. And we've got two here, favorites and blanks. So let's start with blanks. So what that means is here, for instance, when I go to this column here, I now see blanks. And because we've added a count, I can see that there's 6 blanks. And when I choose it, obviously I get them. The other interesting thing about this demo is that we have created a custom predicate called favorites. And you can see here what it does is it returns React stencil solid. This is the definition of the custom predicate. But I've also added it here to my predicates list. So if I clear this now and I go into the values filter, we can see that at the top I've got favorites and it tells me that there's 3 of them, which we know is true. And that's added to no blanks and then all the distinct items, which means I can now choose the favorites and get those 3 and then whichever other items I want. So there we are. You're now able to add predicates, either system predicates or your own custom predicates, to the values list to give yourself a much richer filtering experience. As always, if you'd like to know more about filtering in Adaptable or any of our other features, please get in touch. We'll be delighted to give you a personalised demo or indeed a free no obligation trial license so you can try out Adaptable for yourself. Thank you for watching.